I'm Brad McGlown, senior. I graduated. I graduate today from the HVAC program at UEI in Oceanside. I worked in hospitality for 12 years before I had started this trade. So I look forward to bringing my personality and a comfort feel to the HVAC industry.
My name is Jocelyn Garcia, and I was in the medical assistance program. So I'm a medical assistant at a clinic in Fallbrook. It's called Fallbrook Medical Center with Dr. Barrios. Super cool. A lot of hands-on things from what I learned here with my teacher, Mr. Yanez, and Miss Deborah.
I'm Yoshi, Automotive Technician. I'm actually working as a technician at Masanisa.
And how's that going?
I love it. I mean, that's what I always wanted to do, and I'm enjoying it.
Hi, my name is Amelia Tracy. I did the MOS program, Medical Office Specialist. I did 20 years in the military as logistics specialist, nothing about medical. So after UEI, I got excited after learning about medical assistant, medical office specialist, and then now going for nursing.
Liked everything about it, the people, the college, instructors. I had an interview with Mercedes-Benz, so they hired me, and I'm gonna start my career very quickly.
And how does that feel?
That feels great, that's something that I was going to get.
My name is Emily Bruiser, and I was in automotive. It's just overall like a really good program to get into. It teaches you independence as well because, everything that you have to do, you have to do. It's all on you if you want to graduate. I always thought that cars were cool, and I like to fix them. And yeah, I don't know, I just enjoyed it a lot.
And my program that I decided to do was Automotive Technician, which was about a 9-month program. And right here today, we're getting ready to graduate. It was great. It's a great achievement for myself and for my family as well. It can help myself and my family in the long term.
It was amazing, honestly. It was hard, but it was all worth it.
I'm working a full-time job at my externship site. And then I'm also hired on from my externship, and I work full-time as well. I like being involved with people, and then also I want to go back to school for myself and for my kids. So yeah, a little step into the medical world to see how it goes.
Hi, my name is Tomasa Rivera. I did medical assistant. I like how we did online classes and then on campus, online and on campus, and I like the hands-on training. It was fun.
Everything was great. I couldn't appreciate everything that I had going on out here more than I'ma show the world, because I'ma show the world